Get some grip with that. Oh, so this is how to use it.
So how's it all going, you guys?
Who's full enough to give you somebody's road car?
What's that?
Who's full enough to give you somebody's road car?
It's very low somewhere. So some kind of stuff like that. It's alright.
Is that the stops?
Is it stiffy? That's what we use all the things.
Get sun down out there?
Ah, yes. Put a warm on his ear, do we?
I'll get the taxi fare off David. Good morning.
I don't know. Okay. Honestly, I don't know. I wouldn't have done that. That's mine.
Oh, well done.
I promise you.
I'll see you about Craig Vinyan.
What?
I'll head
Lock the right
Yeah, as soon as I saw what was going on, I thought we better have things to send outside.
Do you want to give these to Jimmy?
Forgot about that.
Who's going to win this weekend?
You come from me, but not him. I got the blame for that.
Did you?
Yeah. With his keys in you. You work perfectly.
Number one, I do it.
Two. Probably do that now.
Just late around this point.
Morning.
Morning, Alistair.
Enjoying yourself this morning?
Oh, it's good. It's good. It's a bit rough.
Is it?
Well, that last stage it was rough.
We're in them. It's always good up. Never does. How's this Toyota doing then?
Well, it seems to be okay so far. Let's hope we manage. Is this thing on? Yeah, okay then. Well,
driver Toyota. Follow him in.
oh, yeah, you just be very careful. It seems to be all right.
Is it?
Yeah, it seems to be. You know, I've only driven it for 5 minutes, so really we won't know yet. You know,
Wait and see.
we'll just go and give it a hand fade on Saturday and see what happens. You know,
Best of luck.
it's the first time I've done pace notes in my life. It should be a laugh. Look at all these fancy cars.
Yeah, what's that? Okay, what, you didn't want to go after 5, did you?
Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, most people have coats for their dogs, not for their cameras. what do you feed that?
Yeah, it looked like a right prat.
what do you feed it? Bloody
I didn't know you
chump.
had your girlfriend to call.
You be careful, I'm getting married soon.
Oh, this side of it.
Come round, she'll pull your head off and stick it down the end of your lens.
Not the Irish one, is it?
Oh no, which Irish one?
Gives a break. You won't be able to use that.
Have fun. Be good.